And you, Marvin. So who is Marvin?
Yeah, Marvin is the head of Mobra's Farms, operation manager of the farms. I take care of all our farms. I'm a BSc agriculture degree holder. Yes, did animal science at the University of Ghana.
Which year was it?
I finished in 2016.
2016.
Yeah, 2016.
But do you have a great background when you did SHS?
No, I did pure science when I was in SHS. But along the way, applying to university, I actually wanted to go into veterinary. Yeah, and since vet and agric almost went hand in hand,
Sure.
I just opted to go for that agric, and then yeah, I am now.
That's a nice one. So, acting about who Marvin is, I think you'll give us more details about yourself. But then, as it pertains, Marvin, you are working for an institute.
Yeah.
What's the name of the institute and what is the institute about?
Sure. So our company is called Mobra's Farms, Mobra's Livestock and Poultry Farms. So what we are sold into is poultry production and then livestock production. Yeah. So we do layers, which involves the eggs, the broilers, guinea fowls, cockerels, cattle, goat, sheep. Yeah, anything livestock and poultry, we are into that.
Any head of pigs?
No, we don't do pig because the owner of the company is a Muslim and it's against their religion, so pigs is out.
Yeah. So, if you can explain further to the ordinary man, when we say livestock, what is livestock and what is poultry? What's the difference?
Yeah, livestock, mostly the goats, the sheep and the cattle, those are livestock. We have smaller livestock, micro livestock that we call it. Those are the rabbits, the guinea fowls, yeah, those are smaller livestock. Then the poultry, we are looking at the birds, we are looking at, how do you call it, the cockerels, the guinea fowls, the turkeys, yes, those are mostly group under poultry.
Nice one, nice one. So, to start with you technically, what type of farming are you guys into?
Mainly,
Yeah. You do with crops or solely livestock?
Initially, we started with livestock, yeah, but I realized along the way we needed to go into the crop side as well in order to be able to feed our birds. Yeah. So right now we have a farm at Ojura in the Ashanti region where we are doing maize production. So we are into both poultry and then the crops as well. Yeah.
So the main motive is to harvest the crops
and feed our animals.
Not to sell them.
Not to sell.
Oh, that's also a nice initiative. That's a very nice one. Alright. So why is farming your concern? Why has farming be your concern? Because you clearly started with science, you wanted to be a veterinary guy, but down the line, you always, like animals.
Great. Yeah. Agri is a very broad subject on its own. For me, I term it as a holistic course on its own. We have a lot of branches and deals with nature. We have the soil aspect of it, we have the crops aspect of it, we have the animal aspect of it. And then when you go further, we have economics aspect of agric, we have the law aspect of agric. So agric is very holistic. It's not just one course pertaining to one thing. It's a very holistic course and it's very broad. So going into agric, I feel I could learn more about nature. I could contribute more about nature. And so far, I think I've not made a wrong choice of studying agric and then going to agric. And for sure, agric, I've never regretted. We depend on food every time. When there's no food, there's a lot of crisis in the world. Yes, food crisis is a serious problem facing the world. So I've never regretted going to agric and trying to change the world, feed the world, and then make food available at all times.
So as you said, you've never regretted
Yeah.
that you love what you are doing.
Yeah, I do.
Are you the table guy or you are the field guy? And when I say table guy,
Yeah.
always at the office or you're on the field with the families and stuff.
I
Since
agree.
you have an agri background.
Yes, I have an agric background, and my agric background doesn't allow me to sit at a table. Yeah. What I mostly come to the office to do on Mondays is I come to do our paperwork. So every week, activities that goes on around our farms, I record them down, come to the office, do my works, and then forward it to my other supervisors to look at the progress of our farm. So mostly I'm on the field. And when I say I'm on the field, I mostly go to other farms. This is just our head office where we can currently shooting a video is our head office. So yeah, I'm more of a field.
So being at the field, what are some of the activities you participate?
Yeah. So on a regular day, we clean. We do cleaning of mostly what we concentrate on right now is our poultry. Yes. So cleaning, feeding, yeah, those are the two main things that we actually do. We clean, we feed, we pick eggs as well.
Alright. So what are the challenges? Talking of challenges, good money, facilities, investment, pests and parasites, storage facilities, what are the challenges?
Challenges, we have a lot. Yeah, I think all poultry industry face that. Pests and disease situations is common. We face that several times, but lo and behold, we've been able to tackle them and deal with them. But one major problem facing we is with regards to our feed. Yeah, feed constitutes about 60% of your total cost of production. So with the frequent fluctuations of the local currency, mostly we import some of these raw materials to feed our birds. And this is a whole lot of problem towards the financial aspect of things. Yes. So those are the major challenges.
Challenges. And then as Christmas is approaching, birds are one of the, one of the biggest products that we do consume.
Sure.
Do you guys have any promotional packaging for the public? What do you guys have for the public? Yes, prices, all of economic prices, things are high, but are you going to give the public some friendly prices that they can patronize your product?
Yeah, our pricing is quite good. Our prices of our products are quite good, and we try to, as much as possible, not compete with the outside markets. We try to lower prices so that our customers can be able to afford our products, and so our customers can be able to afford our products. With this Christmas, we have a lot of packages for our customers, and our beds are ready. Our beds are ready to go.
They're ready to go.
Yes, we have broilers available, we have guinea fowls, we have cockerels, and we have spent layers that are going out. So, yeah.
So how much does it go for a cockerel?
A cockerel, mostly we try to sell based on size and weight.
The size.
Yeah,
So
based on size.
let's say a very big one.
A very big cockerel, we should be going for 120 cities. Yep.
What about the guinea fowl?
The guinea fowl, we try to range them between the same range. We did some analysis of guinea fowl being brought to us to slaughter, and they were actually local guinea fowls. So we look at the weight of that guinea fowl that was brought from outside. We look at the live weight. If I see the live weight when it was alive, the weight of it, we check it, and then we look at the dress weight after slaughtering it. We also check the weight, and per the size and the weight of the local guinea fowl that was brought, and the amount it was going for, the expenses that the customer needed to go through, we realized our price was quite good. It was being sold around, 60 or 70 cities,
Oh, wow.
and the person has to transport it from the north to Accra. When it got to Accra, we needed to go and pick it up from our, the station circle, being brought here to be slaughtered. So how much do you think that will cost at the end of the day? That should be almost, if I'm not mistaken, 120 cedis and above, and that's for a local fowl weighing around 1.3 kg. Yes, our guinea fowls are way heavier and way juicier. Yes, we feed them well, feed them on grasses as well.
What of turkey as well?
We run out of turkeys. This Xmas we didn't bring in turkeys, so we run out of turkeys for now. Yeah. But we do turkeys. Yeah, we do.
Do people patronize it as well? I know chicken is more common.
Yeah, chicken is more
compared
common.
to turkey, and as well maybe guinea fowl is in between.
Sure.
Yeah, the turkey.
The patronage is not as massive as the way the chicken that you said, but it's okay. So once in a while you get people.
But what do you think psychologically? What prevents it? The price, or people don't just like the taste? What is it?
One, I'll say the price. And two, people don't like it. People are not used to taking turkeys like that. If we were to be elsewhere, let's say US, where they do this their Thanksgiving, where they are so really about the turkeys and stuff, then your turkeys will sell out over there. But here we are not so used to consuming the turkeys and stuff like that. It's mostly the chickens.
The turkey, how much does it go?
The turkey, I think the last time that we sold one, it was around 350 Ghana cedis.
So since you said this, your head office, do you have some of the beds around?
Yeah, we have some of the beds around. This is more like a showcase room, where maybe customers can come around and then they'll point at a bed. Then we can point there, we can just go and pick it up for them. And then we also have a processing unit over here. They have a 12 over here. So I'll take you around, then you guys will see our facilities.
Sure.
Yeah, you get to understand.
We'll be glad if you do that, because we'd like to have a tour and then you show it around, how the beds are being kept.
Sure.
And all those things. Alright,
So
let's have a look.
Okay. How are we doing?
Mention of we have a beds here.
Yeah, we have the beds here right here.
Then where are they?
They are home, so I'll take you guys around and then
Okay, sure.
But I'd like to first of all show you our processing units. How I'm working. A lot of things, the motors, all the things. The motorbikes, we do delivery services as well. The motorbikes are used for the delivery services. So we do delivery as well. So this structure over here is our abattoir. So when you say the abattoir, what is it? Yeah, so the abattoir is a place where you slaughter, process meat. So we do slaughtering and processing of the meat over here. So I think okay. So guys, I love to do this abattoir. Yes. So one of the biggest places you can get around. So facilities. So whether livestock or birds, yes, whether livestock or birds, you can do the processing. So what we do is that you can buy from us for us to process for you, kill the animal and then dress it for you, everything, package it. You can also bring the animal from outside in a section of food. What is that used for? This environment is used smoke and stuff and something. So we use gas. So this, the gas being down by the so the machine over there is a delivery machine. Delivery machine. What is it? So when you have, let's say, a bird, maybe a broiler or a chicken that you use the product. Instead of you using a manual, use your hand manually to make the product. You just put it into the machine. So the machine is just roll and is it locally made? No, it wasn't imported. So if you want kebab to be done for you, you can do it over here for this. The machine is as well. The banner for the kebab, So people go ahead and take the good water to do that. That's so interesting. So interesting. Let's then close to 3 months now. We got 1,500 of them. 1,250. We've lost some through disease situations, stampede when there was no light. Guinea fowls like light a lot. So we are raising them at the breeding stage. We need to make sure there's constant light for them. Because they like to breed at one side. Mostly when we are raising them, they like to breed at one side. So what happens that way, there's no light. They step on each other and then the light. So we lost some through that, and then we're making some of our challenges. We've had a disease situation, we lost some as well. So what the scientific coverage on the kind of if I say guinea fowls are mostly the wild type, the wild type of birds, while two always want to be active doing something. So they want constant vision, like something to be looking at. They don't rest a lot. They are very large compared to the chickens. It depends. We have chickens that are even larger than the guinea fowls. I think we have one broiler that's a broiler that is, I think it is bigger than this guinea fowls. But I mean they are very loud. They are loud. They are very loud. So if you have them on your farm, then there's a protector around. Somebody can see the first that I inform you the feeder side to make them ready. You just pour in the feed at one side and you share it well.
Oh wow.
Ours is that
So I can see water flowing from the other side.
Wow. You can see their feeders are empty. We consume whatever we feed them. We feed them 3 times in a day. Yes, we feed them
That's morning, afternoon.
morning, afternoon, and then evening.
So in the morning, what time?
Morning, once we are done with it, first thing we do is that we clean the breakers. We clean the breakers and the feeders. And we do feeding. So later on, 8 o'clock, we've done the morning feeding. Yes, we've done the morning feeding. Afternoon, around 12 1, we do the second one. And then probably around 5 and about 2 o'clock, we do the last. We do our feeding based on calculation. Based on the number of birds and birds that are left.
Birds and people don't feed them. So it means the higher the birds, the higher the feeder. The lower, yes. They will also do it according to age as well. So what's the lifespan of a guinea fowl? The lifespan of a guinea fowl.
It goes at least 2, 3.
Oh yes,
So this over here you can see mostly for biosecurity reasons. So we mostly fill it with water, go to the disinfectant. So whoever wants to enter the pen needs to step into it before entering the pen.
you can see this in this when them are school. That is first time. So we don't want to step inside before we go to. I see. You are just giving me some friends memories. Sure. So we did the division. So we usually brought in. We kept them all at one side. So later we did the division to spread them out. Because their boys are like to win about. You can see some of them.
Some of my main
I like to win about them. So we also see the space for them.
to our students. So this cage over here is more like an isolation unit. We have a sick bed. We isolate them here, then we give them treatment. Currently, these birds over here are not sick.
They are not sick, I can see that. These are heroes, you can say. They are very good.
These are some of the cocktails I got from other farms.
These are ready to be sold.
Yeah, they are ready to be sold. They are ready to be sold. But they are not for sale.
They are not for
This one, roughly 130 Ghana cedis. Yes. These are spent layers. For the layers, once they've gotten to their peak and the eggs are not coming in, we need to get rid of them.
So these are the brands.
Yes, these are spent layers. They are much cheaper.
Okay, so how much are these?
So 60 Ghana cedis. Yes, they are 60 Ghana cedis.
But then you said the corporal are not sold. What are they meant for?
Yes. Actually, we send it to the owner of the company. Yes, we actually send it.
So he will enjoy it.
Yeah, so you actually enjoy it. That's it.
I wish I could take this broiler out for you guys to see. I have a broiler over here which is very big. So this is one of our broilers here.
I think for the we did this broiler about 4 months ago. 4 months. Yeah, this is the last one we've sold.
So good.
They said that we got about 1,000 of them. They're really active. Yes. You don't see them being obese. If I say obese, they become fat, they can't even walk and stuff like that.
Sure.
But these broilers, they're not that fat.
You big them. You big them.
We the big them only when they begin to peck, it becomes
So
the big them becomes a
obviously we do that to layers doing the short ones.
Yes. The layers doing egg lay size, the eggs are too big for them. So once they lay, sometimes it comes out with blood. And the birds are so sensitive to the color red. When you see something red, they move to it and start pecking it.
What's the idea behind it? didn't see it as a danger or something like that. So then they begin
It's something that attracts them.
So like, you know, colors are very powerful. You know, colors have some psychological effect, even on animals. Yeah. Because with human, when you see red, it's something else. Danger, camera, love, whatever. Wow. So as animals.
Now we also realize that we need to be big and all this. So this pen right here, our broilers. Yeah, broilers are mostly kept for their meat. Unlike the layers that are kept for the eggs. These ones are kept for their meat. They are about 8 weeks now. 8 weeks. Yeah, they are 8 weeks. So mostly broilers by the 8th week. They are ready for the market and start selling them off. They weigh on the average 4 pounds. 4 pounds, that's almost like 2 kg.
You see a very big one right?
Yeah,
very huge. Yeah, very huge. So this one is very huge.
yes.
Wow. So we based on, but then can they exceed over the 8 weeks?
Yes, because this guy over here, this guy that I just showed you, it's almost close to 3 months to 4 months, 3.5 months or 4 months. Wow. Yes.
Wow.
It's
Not even a year, so you can see.
No, a year there, 1,000 got into it. Even half a year, 1,000 got in.
Wow. So that will mean a year, then it will go that further.
To get to its limit, and then I don't think to go that further. But financially, if you are keeping brothers, if you want to sell fast, you go very fast. And that's the problem facing the market situation. People try to rely more on frozen chicken, so it's cheaper. Yes, and the quality is not that good.
Compared to
The life ones.
And of course, you know, with the food industry, they also think buying the livestock is a headache about the slaughter and all those things. So we are not going the frozen one. You know, that's psychological. For our farm, we do everything. So if you want something done for you, maybe if it's about the slaughter, you need to take time from about the cutting of the meat, you need to take time from. We do everything for you that way. Only that costs that much for me as a young man if I want to enter into such business. Maybe I'm a food vendor and then I don't want the frozen one. I think the livestock will give me much, good taste. Because here you are going to slaughter, do a whole lot. It's a whole process for me. Everything is going to cost me as a young man. Do you think about the help of the customers if you're a food vendor? Sure, of course.
So if you're getting quality from one, people will get to understand that what they are getting from you is quality. For me, if I'm going to a shop, I know they sell frozen chicken. I know that frozen chicken I'm going to get, it's not wholesome because I don't know where exactly it's coming from, which country it's coming from, what steroids they use on the birds for them to grow very fast and stuff like that. So I'm conscious of what I'm going to take. People are now becoming more aware of what the frozen chicken is all about, so now they want to purchase more before they grow.
So based on that, do you have education for the public? They should come. When they do come, do you educate? Actually educating and
Yes, so like I said, this is more of like our showcase room where we showcase our birds. So once you're a customer, you come, we interact, we tell you, okay, this is this, this is that, this is how we do our things, why you should patronize us, and stuff like that. So we try as much as possible to educate people on that.
That's a very active library, right?
One of them has escaped.
Very active. You see that? Wow. These are the colors now.
Yeah, these are the
This one.
ones.
Alright, and then without forgetting, this is what I want. What type are these? Let's go. Then that has a cool store as well.
Yeah, it has a cool unit with it. It's not elements. But it has a cool unit with it. So once a customer comes and we slaughter the animals for here, we need to deliver. We use these animals to eat the food.
That means it should be on a large scale.
Yeah.
You know.
So cattle and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
It should be on a large scale.
We also have a cold store at the back over here where we do store our meat and stuff.
Okay, maybe it's owned by the company.
Yes, owned by the company. Just here, just in the yard.
In the yard.
Yes,
Can we see that?
So these are cold units.
Okay.
Where it's not like
So how do you keep them? Because we have livestock and things. You have chickens.
yeah, we have shells.
So you have chicken fowl, goats,
So we have everything operating from how do you call it? Production, slaughtering, storage. Not really complain to imports as I was but we just generalize them as cockles. When you say cockles, the local people just look at it like maybe the male cockle and stuff like that. Yeah, but we just generalize them or name them as cockles. So what we did was that we separated the males from the females. These chopped ones and the brown ones, we separated them from the females. The males tend to grow faster and put on more flesh than the females. Sure. So we try to separate them, let the females eat well and the males as well eat as well. No competition between the males and the females.
So these are solely the males.
No, these are the females. They are even seen from their size.
Okay.
The males, you see, they are cold.
Oh, sure, yeah, you're right. Like they're very one day.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure, like this.
So over here is solely the beds.
Yeah, it's only the beds. Mostly, sometimes we do the breeding at our other farms, which are much bigger, than this place here. So we do the breeding over there, and they're almost ready for the market. We move them down here.
Right.
So our egg production at our other farms. Yes.
Because I didn't see any eggs here.
No.
And then how much does it go for a crate of an egg?
It depends on the size. So our price range from 35 cedis to 40 cedis. Okay. Yes, a crate. 35 to 40 cedis. Interesting. So the broilers again, we brought about 1,000 of them. So they actually preparing them from the festive period, the Christmas and the New Year period.
This is just a color, they are all white.
Yes. They're mostly white, the broilers are mostly white. So currently we have about 1,700. Yeah, we had a disease situation in which
So you've mentioned of the disease. I can see it's a big threat, it's a big obstacle. Do you have any measures to put in place?
Yeah, one of the measures in the biosecurity is actually
Is it working?
yes, it's working. Well, if you let your guard down, then it becomes a problem. So you need to make sure you enforce it at all times.
Because
Yeah,
as we are in a pandemic era, disease is something that has become a very big concern. So entering into the pen, I think you need all that. You need your gloves, your boots and all those things and stuff. Interesting.
So our pen attendants, when they are entering, they have a separate dress that they wear to attend to the pen, a separate footwear that they wear to enter. Once they are done, we put it outside or we wash it for the males, for the ones. Yes.
These bears are very, let me use the word fragile, kind of a glass. If you don't hold them well, what's a suitable or moderate temperature for these bears?
From my mistake, around 35.
That's close to a human temperature, just 35. Room temperature almost.
Sure.
Wow. That's less than 5.
Yeah, this one 5.
Interesting. So with the disease, what's the main? Is it bird flu or Newcastle or tuberculosis?
Not had any case of bird flu on our farm. We've not, and inshallah, maybe it's not another situation. Bird flu is a very serious
Very serious one.
disease.
Very serious
It's not just about the birds. it affects humans as well.
Oh wow.
It's a zoonotic disease. Because it's zoonotic, that means something that can be transferred from humans to animals. One of those diseases is the COVID-19 that just came. We started from bats and then moved to humans. So yeah.
So you see this one line and he's sleeping or what's wrong with
Yeah,
it?
it's sleeping. He's just resting.
Just laying.
Yeah,
the way he
just
stretches legs.
Yeah. These are very lazy birds. Yeah, very.
They are not
lazy.
active.
They are not
like guinea fowl. You know,
Yes.
I told this guinea fowl.
Guineas are always
very
active, moving around.
loud.
That's why they need light. They like moving around. These guys, they eat,
Mama
they
ba.
rest, eat, rest, eat, rest.
I see. Mama ba.
You know the we faced cocci before, coccidiosis.
Coccidiosis.
Yeah, we had that issue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then we had a flash of Gumboro. We had a flash of Gumboro, and then we moved straight to tackling it. Gumboro is very, very dangerous. Very wipe about half of your stock away.
Wow.
Lo and behold, we're able to move very fast in tackling it. So this spread out much and of course a problem for us. So these are the males, the cockers, that's what I was saying. So the females on one side, the males on the other.
Interesting.
Yeah, I forgot to mention also, we have a feed mill. Here we do our own feed, so we don't go out there to buy the commercial feeds. Yeah, we only gather the materials around. Yes. So if we run out of maize, we need to go out there to purchase maize from others and then prepare it. Yes, sweet ground, all the preservatives.
What are the main components of the feed?
It's a lot.
Because I have also worked in a farm before. I remember we have to mix with sometimes herring, this fish.
That's most necessary.
Sometimes grana to give them protein and all those things.
That's the protein source of the herring. But we use mainly soya.
Soya.
Yeah, soya. I don't think we are getting the fish meal or fish meal. Fish meal, if you're not careful with the storage, small salads. But it's very rich. Fish meal is very rich. So we use soya, wheat bran, protein, toxin binder.
I think I like the economic way of managing your stuff. Because you made mention of now you'll be preparing your own farm produce.
Yeah.
Bring it to the, your mill, prepare it yourself, bring it back. So nothing go waste.
Sure.
So recycling. I like that. But then the animal waste, how do you manage them?
The litter.
Yeah, the waste.
Sure. So what we do is that every 2 months we deworm. We do our best. So once we deworm, we need to change the litter. So we have people who order for the litter, especially these gardeners, people who grow flowers, so they come for the litter. They come for the litter. We bag it, send it to them.
So I think, poultry, like we said, so lucrative to the extent that each waste is still money.
It's still money.
Nothing go waste.
Nothing goes waste.
I remember when we were in school, the feathers, we use them for decorations and all those,
Sometimes you even put pen and all those like this necklace.
Wow. We are about to wrap up. What do you have for the youth?
The youth.
What do you have for the youth? What's your main message to the youth? Concern you being a young guy, being in agriculture. What's your main message, your golden message to the youth when it comes to farming? It being animal or crop, although we are not into crop for now. What's your general message, your golden message to the youth? As even the year is about to end, what do you have? Do you have anything encouraging, inspiration for the youth?
Sure. Been talking a lot about how do we empower the youth? And it's all about the mentality of the youth as well. The agriculture industry is not for the poor and it's not for the rich. So what I would tell the youth to do is try as much as possible. Even if you have another work that you are doing, try as much as possible. Start from somewhere small, eat what you grow. When you have a backyard or you are staying in a house, you don't need a big space to start agriculture. With a crop site, you don't need a big space. What we call a backyard garden or urban farm. You can start that. Get a small sack, fill it with sand, plant in something over there. You harvest it, and then the money that you used to spend to go to the market to buy, you keep the money in your pocket.
You have a nice point, but let me put myself in your shoes.
Sure.
I don't come from a background whereby I live on my own or I live with my father or mother. I rent.
Yeah.
And I remember there was a time I wanted to enter into rabbit farming and my landlady was like, no, I won't allow you. In this case, she has killed my dream because she owns a house, she can't do what she wants. So in such situation, what do I do? You know, that's another challenge.
She didn't kill your dream. She didn't. She only paused it for a while. If you are determined to do that your rabbit farming, you will surely find maybe another side or somewhere that you can do that.
Interesting.
It's her house.
Viewer, she heard that.
So she has a limit.
She didn't kill the dream, but she paused it.
She just
I
paused.
like that. That was very good.
Sure. She did.
Alright.
You are the only one to give up and say, no, I wanted to do this, and then she said, it's a house, you don't do it. And then you also say, okay, if that's the case, then I'm not doing it. No, and that's what you want to do. Find other means and ways of doing it. We have lands that are around that people are not using. Just go to them, talk to them. Oh, I want to use this your land for so and so correct. If you give it to me, and so and so, maybe I've developed the land, I've done this, I'll grow this on it. I'll give you this percentage of it. Then you start from there, small. And go big. Sure. But right now the youth, seriously, it's all about money.
Sad.
They just need greedy cash. They are more into the construction business, since you get greedy cash. But how long can you be doing that? How long can you be lifting these heavy stuffs? How long? At what cost does it come to your health?
Well, who you think should belong doing the construction? It's also a food on its own.
No, it's also a food on its own. But don't put so much, because it comes and goes. The construction industry at one period to be booming. Next period it has come slow. So what do we do during that period?
Wow.
Most of our old folks also have this mentality when they're about to retire, that's when they venture into agriculture. Which is a big mistake.
It's funny.
Which is a very big mistake. You are going to use your pension money that you are supposed to invest into agriculture. You should do that when at least you're in your 40s, 50s, planning ahead of what you'll be doing in your 60s. So by the time you get to your 60s, you start getting something out of it, but not when you retire and you're tired and you want to rest. That's when you're trying to invest into agriculture. It's not helpful. So let's start early and make sure you do it well.
I like that. So viewers, you had him. Let's start early, and that we can have a very bright future.
Sure.
All right. To wrap it all, how would I and the masses collectively rate you Mobras? What's your website? Your number?
Yeah.
How do we rate you in all? How do we rate you?
You can check us out on IG, Mobras Farms. You can check us out on Facebook as well, Mobras Farms as always. We are located at Pantine, PNT. Yeah, so I'll leave our contact after this thing, so you guys can take our contact from there.
Whenever you them out, maybe somebody might like to pick it from the screen.
Okay, so 050-6075-279. So when you call or pick, and then
the number once again, please.
050-6075-279. Yep. So when you call, I'll respond to it, and then we'll take it from there.